In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to convert any XLS file to XLSX format using MiConvert's free online converter. Step 1. Open Google and type XLS to XLSX MiConvert. Click the first search result to open the converter page. Step 2. You should now see the XLS to XLSX converter page. Everything you need is right here on one page. Step 3. Click Choose File. Find your XLS file in the file browser, select it, and click Open to upload it. Step 4. Your file is now uploaded. Review the details shown on screen, then click Convert Now to start converting. Step 5. Wait for the conversion to finish. The progress bar shows how much is done. It won't take long. Final step. Click the Download button to save your converted XLSX file. That's the entire process, simple and free. You've just converted XLS to XLSX in under a minute. Visit MiConvert.com for more tools. Subscribe for more guides.